Now, Deborah, this showcase is for you.
Your showcase contains prizes revealed as our Diane gets back to nature. And she'll begin by traveling to one of nature's wonderlands, beautiful Yosemite National Park. You and your companion will travel round trip from Los Angeles to Yosemite National Park via plane and motor coach for a 6-night stay in a beautiful lodge located in the center of Yosemite Valley. Hike, explore, and relax amidst California's most spectacular mountains and streams. Next, she'll be able to experience all that nature has to offer by hiking through Yosemite with her new backpacking equipment. Includes backpacks, sleeping bags, tents, stoves, cook sets, and first aid kit. Everything you need for camping out in the wilds of Yosemite. But when she tires of hiking, Diane can still enjoy Mother Nature by camping out under the stars in a new motorhome. This 22-foot, fully self-contained Odyssey motorhome sleeps 4 comfortably, features stove, refrigerator, dinette, and more. Built on a Toyota chassis plus these options: cruise control, AM, FM cassette, roof air, dash air, and generator. And this showcase, containing prizes revealed as Diane gets back to nature, can be yours if the price is right.
Deborah, did you take a good look at all the prizes in this showcase?
Yes, I did.
Are you ready to bid on this showcase?
I am.
We're ready to hear it.
They did me right the first time. I'm going with the audience. $1.
$1? What you're telling me is that you believe that Suzanne has gone over. So you are leaving nothing to chance. You are bidding $1. That has worked and that has failed. We'll see how it is done today after we see this. All right, Deborah, you bid $1 on your showcase. Actual retail price, $25,288, a difference of $25,287. Now, did Suzanne go over? That is the burning question of the day. $15,000 is your bid. Actual retail price, $12,943. You're over. Deborah wins. Deborah, you have won almost $36,000, including $10,000 in the grand game. You won that collection of lamps. You've won the trip to Yosemite, and look at that beautiful thing over there. You want to go over and have a look?
May I?
I'll take you in just a moment. Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Gene Wood speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Goodson television production.